the 2007 Jeep Wrangler. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. The following features are included: front fog lights, skid plates, and air conditioning. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.